Good morning. Here we are in the gym for a lower body workout. It is start of week 2 in cycle 4 of 2026, and we've got a lower body workout. Like I say, our lower body workout's going to be 3 sets of 10 on the main lift, which is dumbbell lunges. And then after dumbbell lunges, we've got our auxiliaries, which are calf raises with the barbell, Romanian deadlift, and leg extensions. So those are all 3 sets of 10. So we've got a good lower body workout here in front of us. Those lunges, so see how they kick in hard with me. Last time I did lunges, I was sore for a couple days. So we'll see what happens today. And then after we get this workout done, I'm gonna head out on a walk, and be a walk only since we have leg day today. Be a walk only tomorrow as I still recover from leg day, and then we'll start our walk jogs back up on Wednesday. So anyway, let's get this old longevity training done so we can meet age with grace, folks. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. Let's hit it. Week 2 is underway. We've got the first day of week 2 done in 2026 cycle 4. So, all right. Yeah, leg workout. I tell you what, the dumbbell lunges. Oh, those are pretty intense. I grabbed the 45 pounders. Glad I didn't grab the 50s because I would have wanted to continue with the 50s. Probably could have got away with the 40s and still got a good workout, but the 45s, definitely a good, highly intense workout. Sets of 10. So that's 10 on each leg. And it's been a while. I mean, I did lunges before I went on break, and then now I'm hitting them again when we come back. And yeah, no, we'll see where we are on the soreness and how we recover from the lunges. But anyway, yeah, that went well. Then we had calf raises and Romanian deadlift and leg extensions. Those all went well. Those were 3 sets of 12. So we did good on those. Romanian deadlift, where'd I end up? 45, 35. I think 155 is what I did the last set at. I added 5 pounds each set. So I started at 135, 145, then 155 for Romanian deadlift. For calf raises, I started 155 and then did 165 for 2 sets. And then of course, leg extensions, I put 30 pounds on and did those isolated with single legs. So yeah, no, good workout. Walk was a walk only to recover the legs from the workout. So we'll do another walk only tomorrow to recover the legs again. And then we'll probably pick up the walk jog splits on Wednesday. So yeah, so tomorrow we should have an upper body workout, and we'll be back for that. Glad you joined me. We had a good workout. So you guys go out there and get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. You guys go do it. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. You guys take care, be safe, have a good Monday. See ya.